friends and distinguished customers, welcome to our Canton new office showroom.
Hello everyone, this area is a newborn China products area, very light and transparent. And the newborn China is a high-level product, normally with the full design and real good designs.
Hello friends, welcome to the porcelain dinnerware field. Those are the pet printing dinnerwares. Nowadays we are able to supply the 1 color, 2 colors, 3 colors and 4 colors pet printing dinnerware. And we also have embossed dinnerwares. At last are the porcelain deco.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our stoneware area. For stoneware area, this one is for the stoneware hand-painted products. The stoneware hand-painted products is made by our skillful workers by pen, so the hand-painted products is real handmade. For the next area is for the stoneware pad printing products. And this area is for the stoneware embossed. The stoneware matte glazed with the paper and ring. Okay, the most important is for the stoneware reactive glazed products. For the reactive glazed products, you can see we have various of colors and various of shapes for your choosing. So join with Tresun to explore more designs.
Hello friends, this area is for our ready-to-ship products. Here are our dinnerware sites. We have 18 pieces, 16 pieces. They are available in all kinds of colors and shapes. This area is for white dishes. We have many sizes and shapes, and these are our sublimation mags. This part can be customized in small MOQ. Welcome to order.
We show you our wooden products area. As you can see, there are so many shapes. All of them are made of bamboo, acacia, even. We support to customize the size, the shape, and the logo. If you are interested, please contact us at any time.